Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and today I am planning the week of December 9th through the 15th in my Erin Condren LifePlanner here. And this week I have a kit from Sweet Bean Plans. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. So this kit is from Sweet Bean Plans, and she is a local shop owner who I've mentioned before in previous Plan With Me's. Aixa hand draws all of her artwork, so all of the little doodles that you see in here were drawn by her on her iPad, and so I really love her kits because they're really personalized, they're unique, and they're different from what everybody else has out there, and she just always comes up with the most creative stuff. So this is the full boxes here. These are the functional stickers, a bunch of labels, and event size stickers, meal plan stickers, television, all that sort of stuff. And then some more functional stickers here, half boxes, quarter size boxes, and a bunch of icons and hand doodled lettered words there. And then this was a separate sheet that I purchased, but of course it ties in really nicely with the kit here. It's got that coffee bar kind of look to it, so I pulled this sheet out to complement what I have here for this Plan With Me. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and start covering up. I don't think I purchased date covers for this kit, but I'm gonna start going ahead and covering up this sticker here. Okay, that's covered there, and then we'll just go day by day this week. I'm actually filming this on Monday. This video will get published Tuesday, so I'm doing it the day before, which is much later than I normally film, but I had a really busy weekend. I had to work yesterday, Sunday, and then Saturday I had a holiday party and a hair and makeup appointment before the holiday party, and it just was not a super free weekend as far as time goes. Okay, so I had a day off, or I have the day off today, so I just need to find a sticker for that. Okay, apologies for the downtime. I'm not as organized today as I normally try to be. Okay, I just got an order from Amy recently, Adorably Amy, and I got her checklists to be a little bit better prepared in situations like this where I don't have checklists to work from. So I'm going to be using one of my stickers here. I've been noticing recently that my Sharpie pens are not writing as well on matte stickers, which is a little frustrating and disappointing because they've always been perfectly fine in the past, but I don't know why lately I've been having issues, so I just switched pens to accommodate that. Oh my gosh, this is going to drive me bananas in this Plan With Me if this is how it's going to be the whole time. This is really annoying. And actually, that's the wrong thing that I did not mean to write there. This is becoming a nightmare Plan With Me. I also have 1 month left until Let's Mingle Beaches on Tuesday, day this is published, so that's both exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time. So I can hardly believe it. I don't think I have anything on Wednesday. I'm realizing my nails are kind of, I need to be careful here getting onto the paper. It's not a very expensive or good nail polish. It was just what I had to get done for the party I went to on Saturday. Okay, focus. Thursday is payday, and there's this payday sticker, but there's really no other one. So I need to think about what I want to put here. It's also Jeans Day, which is kind of a big deal at work. Son's last day of school before winter break is Friday, so I need to make sure that I send his teacher's Christmas gift with him to school. Saturday we have a holiday party at my friend's house. Sunday I might have brunch planned, so I'm just gonna leave a sticker here just in case and leave it empty, and if I don't, I have other stuff I can do. Anything else? I need to put some meal stickers down. Okay, now to put in some full boxes. Looks like I'll be reordering this shade from Amy pretty much ASAP, since I've gone ahead and already used that one variety of color, but that's okay because these days I'm ordering from her pretty regularly anyway. So Saturday, still need to go grocery shopping later this week. Don't have room, it looks like, for a productivity tracker. Maybe, let's see. Could just cover this here, I guess. Might need to come down just a teeny bit lower. Alright, I'm not gonna put a skinny one, I'm just gonna move this up a teeny tiny bit, and we'll just mark, kind of just group all the habits together. Now, I actually should have swapped these, and I think I still will actually. I went to put my husband's schedule where it says this week, and the to-do where it says to-do, obviously, so I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't, as we've discovered in this plan with me. Normally I don't like monochromatic, but I kind of like it here. Anything else? Birthdays this week? Ruby's birthday, duh. And is my best friend Ruben. We call him Ruby. It was a nickname he got given a long time ago, and it's just kind of stuck, and I'm one of the few people in life that are allowed to call him that. And actually, I forgot I'll need another checklist because Saturday, as usual, I'll have 11 billion things to do. The sticker's adorable, so I'm just gonna put it in the middle because I can. And I may do it again here too, to fill up this little space. The last thing to do is put some washi, and I have some options here already pulled. I still have to talk to my husband about his schedule, so I can't fill that in just yet. This is all that I can plan for right now. Again, this kit is from Sweet Bean Plans with some functional stickers from Adorably Amy Designs put in here. The washi is from Simply Gilded, and I will have all of this linked in the description below. I do have some accents: TheCoffeeMonsterzCo, Lavenforest, Once More with Love, and Once More with Love. These two are actually from samplers from last year, so I don't know that she still has those stickers, but that's gonna be it. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments for me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're a long-time subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new and this is your first time, thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing. That'll be my little plug, and that'll be it. So have a great week, and I'll see you back again next week for yet another plan with me. Bye.